I'm a professional, and that's what I do. Hardest tricks possible, all the time, every time, first try.
Let's see about that.
I need a helmet for this. What's going on, guys? Chris Joslin here in beautiful sunny California. We're here with my good friend Chase BOR. And he brought us this deck of cards. This is called bolts. We're gonna find the hardest tricks we can on this deck and try to do them. So on the back, it's got your rules, tells you how to play, scale up, 4 of a kind, 5-card draw, skate the deck, versus, diamond level, royal flush, or you can make some shit up. There's a bunch of tricks on here, from ollies to switch backside, switch frontside, 180 kickflip. Probably scan this QR code and find some footage of people doing switch frontside flips. I've done a couple. There better be some up there. If you're drawing a blank on what to learn, or maybe you just want to go out and have some fun with your friend, and you're tired of the usual game of skate, go get yourself a deck of bolts cards. Let's search through this deck and look for the blizzard flips and nollie 360 double heel flips and whatnot, and see what we can get away with today. Chase, you mind picking a card off the top of this deck for me?
Switch kickflip.
Ooh, let me get some good flicks now. It's like they knew I was warming up.
That's too easy.
Too easy, even for warm up, huh? Regular 360 kickflip. Woo! So you can also kind of like I said, make up your own rules. Do a 360, and then do a kickflip. Yeah, that's a make in my book. You know, as we do these tricks, we're gonna go ahead and sign the cards for you guys, because why not? Y'all deserve that at least. Regular 360 kickflip. That one was funny. Regular backside big spin. Nah, we do enough of those. Nollie frontside, shove this card right back in the deck. Switch frontside, shove it. That's too easy. But hey, for old time's sake, why don't we throw a lay flip in there?
Yeah, let's do it.
All right, cool. So shove lay flip earned us 10 grand and battle the Berrics title after having to do it 3 times. Oh, shit. Switch frontside, shove it, late flip. What? We're gonna sign that one. I'm gonna go ahead and just write late flip. Switch frontside big spin kickflip. But I'm gonna be completely honest with you. The switch frontside big spin kickflip is gonna be damn near impossible for me, so we're gonna go backside. And this is a switch backside big spin kickflip, more or less. So right there was less. You know, if we had a gap nearby, this may be one of those ones you'd consider doing off a gap, just so you have more hang time. So I paused from what's going on here to just take a moment to say thank you to bolts. It just made me realize I could switch big flip better than I thought I could. Switch backside big spin kick flip. Now we did do that one. Regular heel flip, 360 heel flip, regular. So this is one of those ones where it's like, you'd think it'd be as simple as a tray flip. For some odd reason, the way your legs have to move for this trick, it's just so much more awkward. That's why it's not as easy as a tray flip. Another trick you'd probably prefer to do down a gap for a little extra air time. Oh, dang it. Almost did 360 heel flip with shoe untied. Oh, now that's a laser flip. Almost did it to nose manual, but that's just not in the cards, you know? Like I said, we picked the hardest cards. Laser flip got me sweating. Oh wow, this is actually one of the few tricks I've landed with a broken board on. Down at like an 11 stair in Pasadena. I broke my board in the middle and still rolled away. Well, you almost find yourself like swatting the air as you come up to get the momentum. Fakie backside, varial heel flip, or fakie frontside, varial heel flip. So a varial heel flip, fakie, and then go backside. Like that.
What the
Kind of like the regular one we filmed in my Battle Commander into the bank off Rincon into the bank. Fakie frontside, varial heel flip, and fakie doo-doo bird heel flip. Whatever you want to call it. Nollie heel flip, 360 flip. So that's like nollie tray or nollie laser, nollie 360 heel. We'll give you one of each, all right? Because we're working overtime here. We'll give you a nollie tray and a nollie 360 heel. Doing this so you guys kind of get the idea of the cards, you know, so you understand the way of the backside, the front sides, the nollies, the tray flips, the 360s, the heel flips, the switches, the regulars, all that good stuff. I was gonna try them both, so we'll go nollie backside, big spin heel flip, and then nollie frontside, big spin heel flip, which sounds like a nollie Shane O'Neill, the one he always does. Nollie big heel backside, nollie big heel frontside, nollie frontside, big spin heel, nollie backside, big spin heel. I was just reading them every way possible, so that way you guys had no confusions, no misunderstandings. You guys understand the card 100%. Oh boy, thanks again, Bolts, for making me do tricks I haven't done in quite a while. Didn't say throw your own fake steez in there, but I went ahead and did it anyways. All right, so now we go frontside, nollie frontside, 180, big spin heel flip.
Oh,
Boy,
yeah.
this one's real weird. I don't know if I've ever done this on flat ground. Oh, we almost did one! Oh, we got forward motion. We're getting somewhere here, y'all. Like, look at my feet. This should explain to you how hard this trick is. This is so awkward. Oh, there it was.
Hardest one?
I think we got one coming. I'm very pleased with myself on that one. Not gonna lie to you guys. For that being one of the hardest tricks in that deck, I did it pretty damn good. Nollie backside, big spin, heel flip. Nollie frontside, big spin, heel flip. Either way you look at it, it gets a signature. So what we originally thought fakie backside Vero heel flip was a fakie version of that trick I just did. But then in my mind, it was that fakie Vero heel 180 thing. So just in case someone else thinks it's something else, we're gonna do the fakie version so that y'all have all your answers. Except that rock hit me.
I don't think I've seen you do this trick.
Well, that's about as sketchy as you can get it right there. Well, I mean, we said we were gonna do 3 of the hardest tricks. We ended up doing about 10, so. Fakie, backside, big spin, heel flip. We are going to sign some cards here. Now, I'm just gonna go ahead and pick some more random ones out of here just because maybe it's your favorite trick. So here is a nollie backside 180 heel flip or a nollie frontside 180 heel flip. We'll include that for all my nollie back heelers. And switch frontside or switch backside, big spin heel flip. If you get this, you need to learn these tricks. If you can do it, post it, tag me, I'd love to see it. Alrighty, well now you've seen firsthand how these Bolts cards work. I had a lot of fun doing that. And I bet you guys would too. So go ahead and order yourself some Bolts cards. They're a lot of fun. Learn some new tricks or some old tricks, relearn them just like I did. And I mean, there's some easy ones, there's some hard ones, but they're all possible. As you just saw, we picked the hardest ones and did them. So go get yourself a deck of cards, challenge yourself, and you just might surprise yourself. I did, and it felt really good actually to do those tricks that I hadn't done in a long time. So like I said, go grab yourself a deck of cards and see what you can get into, man. It's nothing but fun, so go enjoy.